All right, so I just started recording, so just give me a thumbs up to let me know it's okay that I'm recording you. Beautiful. Good. Ah, awesome. Cool. All right, yeah, so dude, so tell us a little bit about yourself. Like, have you lived in India your whole life?
What, bro?
Have you lived in India your whole life?
Yeah, not my whole life. I live in India. Yeah, I'm proud to be in India because the we compared to the other countries or other places, like India is very cultured place. There are different states. There is no discrimination in India. If there is discrimination, they will do discrimination in the like reservations or some stupid things. But uh, frankly to say, India is a very united state. Like they will treat all the people equally. But if I say one thing, if the India was also very dictatorship, like our freedom fighters, no brother. Yeah, but India, like when the Mother Teresa came, the Christianity came, when the Muslims came, like India was the richest place in the world. Like India was first, but the different kingdoms give different people, like they didn't like India to be the first, so they started looting India. The Britishers, like the Britishers, no, the Britishers, yeah, like they came slowly and they started looting, like we'll just be your slaves, we'll just help you to do that and that. And they slowly started interfering in our matters. And it became a scene. Like nobody, like we thought that British were very friendly to us, but Britishers took advantage. Like Britishers caught one point of India, like the Muslims, Hindus, Christianities, like they had a common fight, so they took these fights. And what they did, they were very smart people. And what they did, they started like they bought the people of India, like Muslims. You go and hit the Hindu person, yeah, make a fight or do something, so we can rule India and we can keep in hand. And Britishers ruled for 1 century, like. But our freedom fighters and India, like speaking to my culture, like here Batukamma, like I am Telugu. Actually, I'm Telugu. My language is Telugu. Like my father is a professor. And we lived here. Like we live in a village. No village cultures. We are farmers, we are fishermen. And my father did hard work, so we did hard work and we came to a good position.
Hmm.
I would like to tell, I would like I'm proud to be a son of Chandram. Yeah, like he has done a very much hard work and we have come to a good position. Like I learned the morals in the city, villages, like everywhere. And frankly to say, if you live in India, like where do you live, bro? What is your name actually?
Yeah, my name is Kenny. I live in the United States in a
United States. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, if you want to learn, like you're doing videos on cultures of India, no, like different places in the world. Like you have a YouTube channel, you will earn money, no. Like you make a plan of going to somewhere, you come to India once,
I would love to.
going to, yeah, you come to India, like you will be very satisfied. Like go to Goa, go to the temples, different cultures, different dressing styles, different people, different languages. Like you compare to go to other countries, like there is only English, Portugal, only one language, only two languages, English and the main language of the country. But in India you will see 32 languages, brother. Like you will love, like once if you stay in India, like you will say, I don't want to go to United States, I'll be in India forever, man. Like India is a very good place. Yeah, and one more thing, we are Indians, like we love to stay in India. But what we do, many people of India not staying in India, and like they will tell that I will go to America, I will do a good job, I will go to USA, I will do that job, I'll do this job and that. But these people are migrating to, like not migrating, like they are doing job in the other places and they are coming to America as usual. No, many people are like Oxford, that many popular places, they will come to your place and they will develop your country. But Indians, what they are doing, they are not staying in our place. But like if I am studying in 10th standard, and I would not go to any, like I would like studying. I have a dream that I have to study in America or something. yeah, I will go there. I will study and I'll come back. But I will work as a farmer or something in my village. Like
Mm.
that's my goal, and I have a dream to develop my village, like the cultures. Like like if you would love, like if you would ever come to India, I will take you everywhere, bro. Frankly to
That's
say.
great. Yeah, so you were saying you have like thank you so much for sharing. You're being
Yeah,
generous with your thoughts. You were saying
yeah,
earlier on that that you think compared to a lot of other countries that are around that India is very
yeah,
cultured. What are your thoughts of other countries that are around India?
yeah. Other countries near surroundings of China, Bhutan, like these all places, those cultures also are very good. Like in our 8th standard, there was like the whole worldwide, like what the problems are facing in Afghanistan, what are the cultures in Afghanistan. There was a like whole skit. There was skit about different cultures of other places except India, like cultures in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, China, Nepal. These places are like out of India, but they like we can't compare that India is best for a few things, few cultures, few heritage, some things. Yeah, for everything, bro. Like everything is not good. Some there are plus points and there are negative points. I told all the positive points in India. And any more doubts, bro? Like, would you like to ask any questions?
Well, yeah. Well, I guess I'm. So you said that right now you're living in a village. Have you ever lived in a city
Yeah,
in India?
actually, my native place. That is my village. That is Srikakulam. Yeah, it is a very far place.
Mm.
Compared now, I'm living in Hyderabad. It's a city. It's a well-developed city.
So
Good.
so
Uh,
what
Tell, bro.
could you talk a little bit about the difference between living in a village versus living in a city?
Oh, coming to village and cities, like in villages, like come there will be more. What do we say? Like in villages like they may be different castes. The villages people, they will think we all are united, we are all are one. But coming to cities, like autos, no, in Hyderabad there are autos. Like many people may stand standing, yeah, they will tell, oh, he's a village person. What a idiotic person is he. Like villagers, like they will be. I live in Andhra. That all the people of my village, they will be kind of friendly. Like if someone will show hating, like he's such an idiot, but they will not be like that. How much ever you scold or how much ever you tell, they will give a positive smile and tell, no, brother, that okay, yeah. Like in our language, but in villages, yeah. Coming to villages, in villages and cities, farming, like mainly in villages, there is farming process, no, bro. So in the farming, like compared to cities, for cities to grow the crop faster or to get any vegetables, fruits or something, they are using chemicals, yeah, chemical fertilizers so that it comes faster.
Mm.
But our villagers, they will do hard work. They will use the earthworms, manures, cow dungs, that pesticides just for killing the waste plants. But I would like to say, if but city places, it will be faster, bro. Like if you want to do anything, it will happen in a sap. But the villagers, they will do hard work. Like if yeah, and I would like to tell one more thing. Now villagers, like rich in cities, there are rich people, bro. Yeah, like if they invested some loan, they will have money, they can run away somewhere to another place so that they can't pay the loan. But the villagers, uh, if they can't pay the loan, they will eat what do we say, insecticides and die, bro.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Like if you like in our Telugu movies, there are many Telugu farming. Like the farmer, like if they don't get the crop, like they will do. There are festivals, farming. Like if the crop is okay, yeah, they will celebrate like anything. But for that thing also, bro, I will tell you one more example. My social sir told, like brother, now you're seeing potato. Potato chips,
Yeah.
5 rupees, 5 rupees less. Okay, let's take 10 rupees. Like how much quantity we get? We get this much, bro. That if I tell you, yeah, we get this much only, approx. We don't get much. But if the farmers are really smart, with one potato, they can make, like, they can cut it into small pieces, and they make it. They, like, my mom made recently. You know how much it came? It came a big bowl, bro. Now you tell, like, these. If the villager people are really smart, if they do this, they will get double profit. They will be richer than the rich people, bro. I'm telling.
Wow. So what is your dream? You were talking about you have a dream where you come to America, you study, and then you come back. And
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like,
so like what would you
then,
what is your dream?
yeah, I see. Like, if I just stay in the village and develop, the people will see he's not educated. He's dumb. Like, he just doing village. Like, if I go somewhere international, yeah. Oh, he's so and so son. He studied in abroad. He studied in US, and he's doing good. Yeah, we can take like, people will get inspired from me, bro.
Mm, mm. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah,
Well, so are there any other things that you'd like to say to people watching? There are a lot of people from India watching this channel and also a lot of people from the United States. Is there anything that you'd like to say to those people before we go?
I would like to say I am happy that I was searching for someone whom I would speak properly. Yeah, many people I saw till now, they are showing middle finger. They're speaking foul language. They're doing something. Like, I got a good person. That's you, bro. We must be lucky. Like, God had made this day, bro, to tell you the cultures of India, or to have a time with you or spend time with you.
Oh, that's very nice. That's really yeah. Yeah, and I feel very grateful to have met you too, and thank you for being so generous and kind with your thoughts
Yeah, bro.
all the time. Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah,
So
I'm heartful, bro. Like, sharing. Yeah, tell, bro.
what name would you? So usually I put the person's name on the video. What is your name? What can I put on the video title?
Yeah, my name is Shashank.
Uh, Shunk?
Yeah, I will text it, bro. Just see it once. No, Shashank. Yeah, bro.
Is that it? All right. Okay.
Yeah, bro.
So I'll put that on. I'm gonna upload this video in a few minutes, and so you can
Yeah, thank you.
make sure to subscribe and to check it out. Okay?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm telling heartfully that I also have a YouTube channel, bro. You can just watch it out once.
Please, yeah, yeah, put it down.
Yeah, but I never got a thought, like, bro. One more thing, bro. Like, if you now I'm telling, I came, bro. I spoke to you properly. If it was another person, bro, since how much time you're searching for a good person to speak with you, bro?
Yeah, today it took probably about 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, it took a while.
Yeah, bro.
You know.
Yeah, many dirty people are coming, just speaking foul language and muting, bro. I met a good person, bro.
It's amazing just like how many people are actually like masturbating. How many people just
Yeah,
like they're like people who sit there and they click next and um but we're both doing something good and we're sharing our stories and
yeah, sharing our stories, what happened in our life, and we are giving an experience to others that Indian culture is good. So let's go to India. Like, the people in United States will have an idea. Oh, we have much money. Let's go to India, and let's make the trip in India, and they will get good thoughts. We can inspire the other people. Like, that I
yeah,
could say. That's it.
yeah, exactly. Well, and Shashank, good luck with everything with studying internationally and working. I'm sure your parents are very proud of you regardless.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Really cool guy. Okay. Well, have a good one, all right? You have a good night.
Okay, bro. Bro, one more thing, bro.
Yeah,
Like, if
totally.
you have time, like, Carlos FF36, bro. That's my Free Fire. You know Free Fire?
No, I don't. Free Fire. Is that
Yeah.
a game?
Free.
Is it something you stream?
It's a it's a game, bro. Like, I don't stream. I just make the montage, killing montage.
Great. Yeah.
Yeah, I have 46 subscribers. I am not that famous. Like,
Hey,
normal.
as just as long as you do what you like to do. I mean, I'm not. I mean, I have a small channel too. I've only been doing this for like 7 months. So yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. One more thing to say. Like, you're doing a very good job, bro. You're sharing, you're giving your time for this, and you're giving a awareness to others that, oh, this is something, oh, this came from that, or you're teaching something, bro, like something you're giving it with interest, bro.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, we're in it together.
Bro, heartfully telling, yeah, bro, love from India, bro, love from me, bro.
Love from the US. All right.
Bro, yeah, bro, I will subscribe it and I will share it to all my friends.
Oh.
Carry on, bro. I
Right.
wish you that you become a famous guy and I meet you again, bro.
Oh. Well, I'll see you. You know, if you ever want to talk again, I have a your F505. I have an email address, so you
Yeah, bro.
shoot me an email if you want to talk again. Maybe if you want to like bring some friends on too, we can talk more about like politics. We could talk about
Yeah, bro.
anything you want.
Yeah, something related to Indian politics or something, like compare dual politics. Yeah, many things, bro. Yeah, social language is there, no, bro.
Yeah, would love that. Would love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. And what you're gonna do,
I'll
bro? Had your dinner?
no. Well, right now it's 11 a.m. It's 11 o'clock here. So I have
Oh, bro. This is India now, bro. Timing
yeah.
is different, bro.
What time are you 11 at night? What time is it there?
The time is now. It is 11:40 p.m., bro. 11:40 p.m.
Wow. Yeah. So you're 12 hours
Bro, it's yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll be
Okay, bro.
soon, okay? I'll talk to you again soon.
Yeah, bro. I can, bro. I will send you email if I want to speak anything or talk with you again, bro.
Please. Perfect. All right. See you.
Okay, bro. Have a great time, bro.
Bye.
Bye. See you, bro. Bye.
Bye. What a good, kind guy. I'm telling you, I mean, we need to get like, I mean, there's so many people from India who have already been on this channel. I think we need to get like a panel together of Indians to talk about like what's going on in that culture, you know, and their perceptions of, you know, Western culture and the United States, and I think that would be great. I think that'd be really cool. Carlos FF36. I'm gonna check out some of his videos. Free Fire. I've never heard of that game. All right. Bye, everyone.